Hey, what's up, ChainLink holders? So, and ChainLink completely feels down. So, what's my friend price prediction? And in June 20, my friends, there is a chance so they will wake up and they will move upward or not. Let's get started this brand video. But kindly, holder, you need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. So, thank you so much for everyone who's subscribing our YouTube channel now. My brother, first of all, I want to show my friends the update this time. You can see, my friend, the open price is you can see 21.5 USD dollar. The highest, as you can see, my friend, 21.5 USD dollar, and the close, as you can see, my friend, 21.49 or 21.49 is low. So absolutely, this is last 24-hour chart. I will explain you later, my friend, but kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. This time you can see, my brother, the update last 1 hour, the last 7 days, the last 24-hour. Absolutely, you need to watch this, my friend. You can see the last 7 days this coin is in a negative, and last 24 hours especially the important is that minus 0.81% the price is in decrease now. It's mean to the price is come down, my brother. Why the price is come down? There is a lot of chances, my friend, to them moving upward, but in the current condition, why they fails down. So my friend, I want to tell you, this time especially short-term investor, they are starting selling, so therefore the coin is fails down. So let's see, my brother, I predicate this going to upcoming time, especially tomorrow, can they will give you a profit or not. Let's see, my brother. June 21, absolutely there is a lot of chances, my friends, so they will wake up, but definitely, my friend, we need to predicate this coin. So exactly, my friend, if you remember the last 1 hour chart, so the last 1 hour chart is going to be positive now, and this time, if you can see, my friend, the arrows is also moving upward now. So this chart is completely show you, my brother, to upcoming time there is a chance to ChainLink will wake up and go in the moon. So if they starting moving upward now, so on upcoming time, so I will give you guarantee, my brothers, to upcoming times they will completely give you a profit now. So let's see holders to what they do, but kindly holders, you need to hold it, don't sell it, hold it and wait for the good time. I hope the price will be increased just in only at the end of month, so you need to wait for the end of month. Thanks for watching, ChainLink holder. Please like this video, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification.